Technology is changing where people work and learn. It's no longer just a classroom or the workplace. It's everywhere. Introducing the TechGuard Charging Locker from Bretford, a personalized charging experience. TechGuard Charging Lockers are ideal for anywhere people need to securely charge and store their phones, tablets, and laptops. No matter where TechGuard Charging Lockers are used, they make securing and charging easy. Press the green unlock button on any available locker to open the door. Place up to 3 devices in the compartment and connect all your charging cables. Then close the door, choose a 4-digit passcode, and press the lock button. A red LED indicates the devices are secure. The 2 USB charging ports and 1 AC outlet simultaneously power up devices while keeping them secure behind all steel and polycarbonate construction. See-through windows and interior lighting help easily locate devices for retrieval and allow facility managers to monitor locker usage. TechGuard charging lockers come in 1, 5, or 10 bay locker configurations with options for mounting, color, and branding. TechGuard charging lockers from Bretford are putting security and power in its place.